Kamal ka kabab. Take fish fillet 1 kg. Cut fish into small pieces. Thank you for watching my video. Marinate the fish with 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 2 tablespoons Kasundi, or you can use paste of mustard, little vinegar and green chillies. Half teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half teaspoon rice flour, 3 tablespoon coconut powder. You can use coconut milk. And finally 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Mix everything well. Make paste of 3-4 green chillies and add. Cover and keep in fridge minimum 3 hours to overnight. Before frying, mix again 1 tablespoon Kasundi and 1 tablespoon mustard oil. Put on the gas and 1 tablespoon mustard oil for frying. Fry for 3 minutes on medium flame. Turn the fish. After 3 minutes, finally take out the kababs. Fry rest of the fish the same way. Split 4-5 green chillies and fry in the leftover oil. Add half cup coconut milk. Spread over the fried fish. Enjoy hot Kamal ka kababs. Subscribe, like and share my channel please.